Hello you beautiful lot, and welcome to today's episode of PurpleVision. Now I'm here in Thrapston and I'm just about to walk this little bit of the London and North Western Peterborough branch line. So if we have a look at this map a minute, I am in Thrapston. I've just walked down from the church and we've just got to this point here. So this whole bit here, this whole tree line is the London North Western Railway line. So if you've been following our story, I've been working on our 3,000 subscriber special, walking from Wellingborough to Thrapston, looking at all the bits in between. Anyway, I've filmed it all the way to Thrapston, but my bus was nearly there, so I had to rush it, and like an idiot, I actually pointed to the wrong site of where the station used to be. So I've had to come back over and just make sure I film that bit and get it done, and it's perfect. So what I thought I'd do is I'll come down to Thrapston Lake and I'll walk this old part of the railway line for the first time. So I've never walked this, and of course when it comes to filming you've got to walk it a couple of times so you get it right in your head. So how about this for a first, and you guys are going to come along with me. So there's a few people on the track and they like to use it. It is managed by the Thrapston Town Council, which is pretty epic. I'm glad they've taken the role in this and making sure it's a nice open walk. But as you can tell, it's still railway ash underneath me as well. So of course where all the ironstone was being calcined, a lot of the ash was used to build the railways, which is why you've got this kind of dark colour to it. But yeah, look at that. Oh, look. So railway fencing. Stop you trespassing. I mean, that's the real McCoy there, isn't it? Look at the strength of it. Yeah. Hang on, what's that poking out the tree? What's grown in the tree here? What's that? Oh, I don't know. That's a nice chunky bit of... Oh, I don't know. Anybody know what that is? I mean, it's been eaten. Anyway, awesome. So railway fencing. I do believe this would have been a double line track, so one on that side and one on that side, one for east, one for west. So I find that funny. People see a camera coming towards them, they duck out the way. I'm really sorry if you see this. I didn't mean to push you off the track. I'm just here to have a mooch, and it's epic. I mean, still got railway fencing in there. That's cool. Oh, an artist bracket. God, look at that. That's a beauty. Oh, yeah, I like that. And you can actually kind of scratch your initials in there and leave a message for the next person coming along. DP, Dave Pennell, by the way. Oh, let's move up a little bit. Oh, I do like this though. Gone to a bit of a bank in there as well. So the lake is just on that side. You never know, I might have to have a look at drone assist and see if there's any restrictions in the area. If not, I'll send up the drone. Let's have a quick look a minute. I don't know what's over there, but it looks pretty good. Oh. Dun, dun, dun. Beautiful. There's a guy just sitting there with his music playing. Perfection in my eyes. Self-reflect, get out in nature, reset the mind, forget the concrete jungle and the atrocities that are going on, forget the gas prices. Just grab your little speaker and just sit and do nothing. I'm a little bit jealous, to be fair. I'm going to try and leave this as uncut as I can. Oh look, there's wooden fencing in here. Oh, they actually look like old sleepers, to be fair. They've got the sleep bits in them. Ooh. In fact, that looks a bit like a sleeper there. Ouch. Why do I bring shorts today? Because you're an idiot. I know, Jamie. Oh, it looks like it was a sleeper at some point, but then again, it's got the tensioning bolts in it. Still. That way for the Thrapston town walk, but I want to keep going up, see what else we can find. Hoorah! Oh, beautiful willow. Another little area. Oh, linear lines. Oh, bloody hell, what's that? God, blimey, it's cross tracks for a tramway. Look at that. No way. Oh, that's some blooming weight. Cross tracks. I mean, that's really small there. That's a narrow gauge railway. Surely that wouldn't hold a big steam train. There's no way on that. So it may have even been for the gravel extraction pits. You know what, I'm going to have to get out my little mobile and have a look here. I'll tell you what, for you lot, I'll bring up the overlay maps and you never know, we might actually see an old industrial railway working somewhere. That's cool. Oh, you've got to keep your eyes peeled. Beautiful. So there's an area in there. Ooh. I'm keeping my eyes peeled. It'd be nice if we found like a mile post somewhere. Do, 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 do. Yeah, so there's little waterway gullies either side of the railway to help with drainage. That's cool. And that goes straight on. Shall we have a little look in here a minute? It looks quite beautiful. Should we try and get to that lake a minute before we go up? Ooh. Don't forget our railway is just over there, so we'll get back to that in just a moment because I want to see that. Oh, wow. Wow. What a lake. I love it. God, that looks all green and slimy though. That don't look good. Anyway, railways. That's cool, I love that. So we're here, railway is there. Beautiful, love it. Oh, I like them cross tracks back there, that was a bit of a find. Look how elaborate this railway fencing is though, look. Definitely didn't want you trespassing, did they? No, no, no. That looks like it's got a railway sleet on it. Well, it hasn't got one on it, but it looks like it had one. Yeah, look, it's the same length of a sleet. So that one's an actual railway sleeper. Oh, so is that one. So maybe when they redone the sleepers on the railways, they changed them over from wooden to concrete. There was even a time where they used concrete blocks to support the railways because the wooden ones kept floating. Oh, this is pretty. Oh. The railway's purple, come on. Distractions. I like it. So that side's got wooden fencing and this side's got concrete. How strange. Just keeps going on and on, doesn't it? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, look. It's way too far gone. That would have been a nice one. Yeah, we've still got our wire, so we're still on that railway line. Anything special? Doo-doo-doo. No. No. Anywho. Oh, oh, we've got a railway bridge. Oh, what a lovely little find. Oh, booty. God, yeah. Nice. It's just a little waterway one, but the abutments are just miniature size to what a road one would be. That's awesome. Cool. In fact, it actually looks like... No, it could be the concrete. Cool. Cool. Like it. Like it. Yeah. That'll do. It's a nice little bridge. Woohoo. Okay, cool. Oh, there's someone up there, so I'm just going to have to edit this bit. There with me. Clip. Oh, wow. Awesome. Awesome. No motorcycles or horses allowed by order of the town council. What's through there? It just looks like a big open playing field. Maybe it is. Oh, oh, brick structure. Oh, what's that? Oh, what is that? What is that? Signal box base? Oh, who knows? Oh, I don't know. Thrapston lot, can you help me out with that one? Leave your comments down below for us. Maybe this was a bit of a quarry land or something. Oh no, look. I mean, that's sewage. But I don't know what that other one is. Where are we? Let's have a look. Oh, open fields. Could well be quarrying. Oh, railway sleepers. Oh, it's horses. Oh, maybe. peculiar. What was that bit about? I mean, yeah, proper railway sleepers, I like them. But what is that concrete base for? Oh dear, awesome. Where is it? Where is it? There. It's got concrete on the top. What is this? Come on, mate, you're going to have to let me in a minute. I mean, this bit's different to that. I mean, this is really long here. What's that? Probably about 8 foot long, maybe 10. I don't know. And this extra little bit has got a big concrete slab on. That may actually be sewage, but I don't know. The way that's that length, I mean, they're not exactly blue brick or anything. No, what's this? I have not a clue. Not a clue. Still awesome. I'm hoping one of you guys come through and tell me what that is. There's a little bit down in the Earthlinborough. We managed to find the Earthlinborough Iron Company signal box. So it looks very similar to what that is. But of course I can only make assumptions without my map. If I get home and I'll learn what it is, I'll type it in the bottom for you. Awesome. Cool, that's a bog and a half. Everything's so dry. We haven't had that much rain at all. That's a nice big open space there, isn't it? Ooh, who knows? Still no mile posts or anything. You got to imagine as well. All right, these trees are all here, but they wouldn't be there before. This has come after. These are self-seeded. Yeah, maybe some on the far edge, but no, not up here. No way. Let's go. I do wonder how far this goes out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's another dry pond. So I'm looking for berries. I'm getting a little bit of a munch on. Oh yeah, isn't that lush? Oh, something's really musky. Oh, badger, roe deer, something sweaty. Wow, look at that. Isn't that awesome? What's this? Some more metal in here, look. Oh, what's that? Is that rail? Is that an actual rail? Yes, it is, yeah. Yep. I mean, look how thin these rails are. There must have been tramways leading in and out of these pits. Because I'm not too sure, but maybe Thrapston Lake here was built in the 70s after the gravel extraction. I'm not entirely too sure. Like I said, this is a first for me, walking through all of this bit. And usually what happens is when I do a video like this, the wonderful locals always come through and give me the insider information. When it comes to doing a big video, I've got all the information I need, and give you guys a shout out as well. Getting a bit dense. What are you calling dense? Yeah, we're coming out the back end of Thrapston now. I know this road and the roundabout. No mileposts. I swear someone comes around and they rob these mileposts so I can never blooming find them. Oh, someone else. I'm gonna have to edit again. Sorry folks. Click. Lovely. Sorry about that. I mean, that is another reason why I come out nice and early for these walks. And I do like coming out when everybody else is kind of tucked away with school or work. Because when I come out on these big walks, it's mainly to clear my head and just walk. Just walk until my head stops. Which is lovely seeing people out, and especially when they recognise me, it fills me with warmth. I don't care what anyone says, it's a beautiful thing. Sorry if people get in me videos and you get annoyed about it. Sorry about that. I'll do my best. Can we carry on, or is this going to be... Yeah, look at the gate though. Is that pre-railway or post-railway ending? Thrapston Town Walk, developed by Thrapston Town Council and Nem Valley Project. No motorcycles. Cool. Cool. I have no idea how far we can keep going, but the idea is just to walk up here and film, and then I can walk back the lakeway and take loads of photos ready for me Facebook thing later. Yeah, it's still got our concrete. Oh, how's this then? Uncut. Oh, except from two little bits, but you know when a path calls you. But that's going to go off in the wrong direction. Let's not. Let's keep going a minute. Yeah, I think that's going to go round the back of the lakes. Oh, there's someone there with me. Oh, information board. Yeah, welcome to the Nem Valley. Welcome to the Upper Nem Valley Gravel Pits SPA. A special protection area, an important corridor for wildlife. The Nem Valley Lakes and Meadow landscape provides vital habitat for the birds. Yeah, we know all this, that's lovely. But we have, get off me, we have walked up here to here. So what I may do is come round to the River Nem. We'll get to the next one and then we'll walk back. So I'm not too sure if I want to do this. So I need to start heading back because I haven't got much time. So I'll tell you what, we'll go from there to there. Beautiful. Lovely. Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on. What's this? Oh, look. Now that's a proper railway rail. That is. Yeah, that's a proper one. So them little tiny ones, they're only meant for like carts and smaller engines. This is the actual stuff. I mean, look at the size of it. It's been used as a fence post. That's the back of the fishing club there. Right, okay. Let's press on. Awesome. Love it. There's not many blackberries out here yet. Come on, guys. I'm getting hungry. Oh, excuse me. Maybe this was a level crossing, farmers access. Giant members only. Oh, railway, rail. Yeah, I see it, look at that. There's the other half. And that's the lay-by where they had a nice grease wagon. Get your food, lovely. I'm more after the free kind, the sweeter, darker berried kind. Oh yeah. Look. It does look very narrow in here, doesn't it? We've still got our wire fencing by the side of us. I can't tell, there's loads of brambles in the way. Definitely looks like it though, doesn't it? Hell of a walk. So I do believe I am going to have to do this one at some point. I think we'll do Thrapston to Oundle, because well, it's quite easy to get the bus from Oundle, and then at another point I'll get the bus to Oundle and walk on up that way, and eventually we'll complete this line. But I've got all the time in the world. God, the noise of that road is really terrible down here. Oh wow, it goes on forever. Well, don't go on forever, obviously. It stops at Peterborough, but you get my drift. Yeah, we're right up on a railway bank now. You can see the level of the lake down there, and just by this big oak tree here, there is the railway wire. So we're still on track, literally. I think this is Titchmarsh Lake to the left of me, isn't it? Oh, giant members only. I don't fish. I just want to look around your lake. Oh yeah, we're walking right up now. I haven't even got the lake on my left. It's gonna have to be a point where we say, Purple, you got to turn round now, mate. Lord knows where that is. Oh dear. This is what happens, isn't it? At least you lot come for the journey with me. God, yeah, that's deep. We'll just go another 5 minutes. I suppose I better bring out my phone actually. Find out exactly where we are. Oh dear. It does actually look like we're going into a cut-in now. I mean, look, we're lower than the land there. But we're still higher than the land down there. That's cool. Oh yeah, railway fencing is in there, look. Yeah, that's right to the edge there, isn't it? And then there's a big drop. Ooh. Little waterway. Woodpecker laughing at me at how far I'm going. Oh, you'll never make it back, he says. Definitely double line here, isn't it? Yeah, we're going right into a cut-in now. There you go, look. That's going up, and that's going up. And we dive into the cut-in. Awesome. God, that's a deep cut-in, to be fair. Lovely. I always find these cut-ins very cool as well. God, wow. Look at that. Wow. I mean, look how deep down we are. It's very wide. The trees rustling up above my head. You're going to take me into a tunnel somewhere. Right. Awesome. Do I just keep walking? Do I just keep walking? So you know, I'm proper in here. Awesome, absolutely love it. This is what it's all about. Going some places you've never been before, you've never seen. I mean, my eyes are so peeled, looking left, right, left, right, left, right all the time. I mean, of course, this will be completely different to explore in winter. Completely different. There won't be hardly any of these brambles. Oh, you're nearly ready. Oh. I still need to find where I am. Google Maps. just going to have to keep walking and walking and walking, and then, yeah, how do I get back? Oh, blooming hell. Oh, wow. We're all the way up there. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I've gone way too far. So, you know what? I'm really sorry. But that'll do from there. I'm going to have to go back into Thrapston. Come a little bit too far. But at least we found what we think looks like a signal box and some cross tracks. And there's a lot of little industrial railways that look like it branched off from here. So I'm going to have to dig out Eric Tonks's book on Northamptonshire and have a good old look. But other than that, thank you to me patrons, because of course without the Patreon money I won't be able to get the £10 bus riders out here. I mean, that's 3 times this week. That's 30 quid. Well, at least Abbott's Removals kind of paid in for one of them, so thank you very much. Ah, well, if you like the video, hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you all again in the future. So from Purple, out in Thrapston, something like with a whole heap of unity.